All right, guys, I'm here with the 2014 Fiesta ST. I've got the Recaro seats, which I absolutely love. But after like a hour drive, anything over commuting to work, they're just kind of not fun. So here's one of the stock cloth seats. I like the cloth seat because I live in Minnesota. So leather seats like the Recaros get really cold in the winter and then really hot in the summer. I can take the driver's seat out, keep her from getting worn out as much when I'm just commuting in this thing. 120 bucks from AAA Auto for this seat. All I did was vacuum it up, and then now I'm just using the shampooer real quick to clean it up, so get all the stuff from whatever accident it was in. This does have airbags. Make sure whatever you buy has airbags. I disconnected the battery about an hour ago just to make sure we don't have any airbag issues. Okay, so still looking at the stock seat here. What they often do when they pull these out of wrecked cars is they just chop the existing harness here. So we're using the one that came on our seat, so we're not worried about it. So I'm going to unplug this. It's just one of those pinch plugs. Pinch and pull that out. I'm going to unhook it off here, and then the old harness is off, and we're prepped for the new seat. You can see where these guide pins go in right here, and then the bolts are going to go in the front. There's one on all four corners of the seat. So we're going to go ahead and remove those out of the car. Okay, so if you put the seat all the way forward and recline it, you can get an impact with an extension with a T50 on here. They are in here pretty tight, but no problem. All right, next are the front two bolts. This one you don't need the extension, and you can get to both of them with the impact, no problem. They're in there pretty tight. These are a little rustier. So yeah, same size T50, and we're gonna knock these out and pull the seat. Okay, so now we've got it out. We're gonna let it gently rock back here. Not crazy. I don't want to pull on any of the cables. And we're going to unplug the same plug here. And we're going to detach it. It's actually really easy to take out on the front if you take the bottom, kind of shimmy it out, and then when it gets stuck on the steering wheel, tilt it back, pull it out. Okay. And we're out. So this plug is different right here, so I actually have to swap this harness off the seat. I'm going to disconnect this one, this, and this, and at that point we should be able to pull the whole harness out. So you pinch this down and it'll come out. For this red plug, you just pull the tab backwards with your thumbnail. It'll slide out, and then there's a little pinch underneath it. So pinch and pull that out. This one, just a pinch plug. It's this teeny little tab right on the end here. This was a little bare to get off. I didn't like this one. And then this one was also just a pinch plug. And then just a panel removal tool, and you pop all the little panel pops out. So in reverse, it's going to be this plug right here, this plug right here. So this is the little teeny pinch. Try to do it on camera. This looks like the one that has the red pull out on the, it's on the back side of this. There's a little pinch right on my forefinger there. And that one comes out. The harness swap is complete. We are going to, oh, just so you know, the only plug that I really struggled with was this white one. And it's got the little pinch, the little teeny one on the back here. I just stick a little screwdriver. Here, I'll show you in this seat. I had to take this little screwdriver and kind of stuff it in there like that to get it to push down. Once I did that, it popped out super easy. No need to wrench. If you're really going ham on these plugs, you're not hitting the little release the right way. So when you're reinstalling the new seat, take that opportunity to clean out under your old seat. Mine's not as bad as you would think, but it's a little grody, so I'll quick hit it with the shampooer, and I'll shampoo the back of the seat, and then I'm going to put on clean gloves to put the seat back in, because I just did all that swapping around. My fingers are dirty, and no need to dirty up the interior. All right, so there we go. I got the comfy seat in. Keep that Recaro nice and protected. I want to drive this in the winter, so I'd like to keep the interior nice, and it's a lot more comfortable for commuting to work. And it is a lot more comfortable if you're like me. You got some wider hips. But yeah, that's it. Leaving all the rest of the seats in, but for $100 to keep the other seat nice, and yeah, just to kind of get going with it. I'm pretty happy with it. If this helped you out, like, subscribe. Give me a little money back so I can do something else stupid to this car.